Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Pinterest and want to delete your data and account, especially with the latest GenAI settings update, you're in the right place. Whether you're concerned about how your content is used or simply ready for a fresh start, I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the top of the screen. This takes you to your personal hub, where all your pins, boards, and settings are stored. Next, find your profile picture again at the very top and tap it. This opens up your main profile options. From here, look for the menu labeled Privacy and Data. Tap on it to access all your privacy controls. Now, scroll down until you see the section called GenAI. Here's where Pinterest manages the use of your data for AI training and related features. Under GenAI, you'll find the option labeled Delete Your Data and Account. Tap on this to start the deletion process. Pinterest will guide you through a few on-screen instructions to confirm your decision. You may be asked to select a reason for leaving. This is just for their feedback and won't affect the deletion. Carefully read the information about what deleting your account means. All your pins, boards, and profile data will be permanently removed. If you're sure, follow the prompts and confirm your choice. To finish, Pinterest will send a confirmation email to the address linked to your account. Open your email inbox, find the message from Pinterest, and click the confirmation link. This final step ensures that only you can authorize the deletion. And that's it. Your Pinterest data and account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone. So make sure to back up anything important before you start. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need it too.